Exodus Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Exodus Wallet app is known for its sleek design and user-friendly interface. Most people think all crypto wallets are the same, but Exodus stands out for combining simplicity with powerful features. Pros include support for over 150 cryptocurrencies, integrated exchange services, and real-time portfolio tracking. The app allows you to send, receive, and manage assets easily, and it includes built-in charts to monitor performance. Security is decent, with local private key storage and optional backup with a recovery phrase. Exodus also integrates with hardware wallets like Trezor, adding extra protection. Cons include the fact that it's a hot wallet, meaning funds are connected to the internet and potentially vulnerable to hacks. There is no two-factor authentication built into the app, so users must rely on strong passwords and device security. Additionally, trading fees within the app can be higher than using external exchanges. In conclusion, the Exodus Wallet app is perfect for beginners who want an intuitive, visually appealing way to manage multiple cryptocurrencies. It's great for portfolio tracking and light trading, but for maximum security, pairing it with a hardware wallet is recommended.